In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in ConvertKit. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get right into it. When you're sending out emails, one crucial element you must include is an unsubscribe link. This not only helps maintain a good relationship with your subscribers by giving them control over what they wish to receive, but it's also often a legal requirement. So, let's go through the steps together. First, you want to ensure you're logged into your ConvertKit account. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your credentials. Now that you're on the dashboard, the first thing you'll notice is all the options available to you. Don't worry, we'll navigate through them step by step. Once you're in, head over to the Email section. Find this in the top navigation bar. It's usually in bold and quite easy to spot. Click on it, and you'll be directed to manage your email broadcasts and sequences. Now, if you're setting this up for a new email, go ahead and select Create New. Or if you're editing an existing email, choose the campaign you'd like to modify. It's important to understand that adding an unsubscribe link can vary slightly depending on whether you're working with a new broadcast or an existing one. Today, we'll focus on initiating a new email setup. After selecting Create New, you'll be prompted to enter your subject line and the body of your email. As you compose your message, make sure to think about where you want to place your unsubscribe link. A common practice is to include it at the very bottom of your email, making it easy to find without being intrusive. When you're ready to add your unsubscribe link, just click into the body of your email. You can type out a message like, "If you'd like to stop receiving emails, you can unsubscribe here." This gives clear instruction to your readers and is friendly in tone. Highlight the text you just typed, as it's important to make it clickable. Now, let's link it to the unsubscribe functionality. With your text highlighted, look for an option in your toolbar that resembles a chain link, which represents hyperlinking or creating links. Click on that. You should see a pop-up that allows you to enter a URL. This is where ConvertKit really shines, as it provides you with a specific link to use for unsubscribing. In the case of ConvertKit, you can usually find the unsubscribe link by typing in unsubscribe link. This is a special merge tag that you can insert directly into your email, and ConvertKit will automatically replace it with the actual unsubscribe URL for each recipient. So enter that into the link field. Before going any further, I highly recommend testing this to make sure it works properly. You don't want to send out an email with a broken link. To do this, send yourself a test email. After you receive that email, look for the unsubscribe link. It should be interactive, allowing you to click on it. It's best to double-check this step. Once you've confirmed that the link works, if you're satisfied with the layout and message of your email, you're ready to move on. Review your email one last time for any typos or adjustments, and ensure that everything reflects your brand's voice and intentions. Finally, when you're confident that everything looks good, go ahead and hit the send button. Congratulations! You've successfully added an unsubscribe link to your email, which not only helps you stay compliant with regulations, but also strengthens the trust you have with your audience. And there you have it. That's how you can easily add an unsubscribe link in ConvertKit. If you found this tutorial helpful, I encourage you to subscribe and like this video so that you don't miss out on any of our future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.